I'm Eric Swanson. I'm the principal at Neodesha High School in Neodesha, Kansas. We're a small school in southeast Kansas. We have approximately 360 kids in grades 7 through 12. We had Jake from 518 today. The day kicked off with him meeting with our staff. We had a professional development day planned anyway, and Jake came in and spent an hour with the staff going through what the presentation was going to be with the kids and then how we could support the kids afterwards. That was a really good hour to spend. Sometimes you have assemblies come in and you really don't know what it's going to be about, and you go in kind of blind. But with this one, Jake came in and spent an hour with our staff, and that was very much appreciated. I like that Jake talked about goal setting. We're doing a lot of goal setting right now with our Leader in Me program. Our kids are developing wildly important goals. We call them wigs. So it's nice to be able to hear him talk about barriers to achieving goals, as well as things you can do to help achieve those goals, because it fits right in with what we're doing with our character education. I'd say definitely pull the trigger. There's places out there to help with that funding. I know that Jake had been to Independence, Kansas, just down the road from us, and some of our kids had heard him and some of our staff had heard him. And when he showed up this morning, I had a couple staff members say, "That's the guy we saw a couple years ago." So they were really excited to bring him back, and the fact that he was coming here to see our kids. Anybody who works with kids, any kids, it's not the same old "don't do drugs" campaign. It's not somebody preaching at you. It's not somebody telling a sad story. Jake will say that in his presentations, not telling you a sad story. He's just giving you some facts, and he's going to let you make that decision yourself. Jake gets the audience involved a lot. It's not just sitting, he's talking to the kids. He gets them involved. He does some demonstrations with them. They play a game with them. He even encourages them to yell out the answers. And you know, as a principal of the high school, I cringe when I've got 300 kids yelling things in the auditorium, but Jake was encouraging that to get them active and participating in the program.